Welcome back on my YouTube channel, Monday to Monday. I'm on the trawler and we're finally going to do some work on the trawler again. Finally. It has been a while since I did something on the trawler. Today I want to try to primer this part of the wheelhouse so that we can reattach the two halves together. My steering wheel is back in the wheelhouse on a temporary... Well, this is not forever. I had to make this because I wanted the boat out of the water. So the date was set to haul her out, but the yard made a little mistake in planning, so I don't know when we're going to haul her out of the water, but steering wheel is here. I'm going to leave it in for now. It's wobbly. Well, it's not good, but it's just for 2 hours of motoring this boat to the yard. It will be fine. Anyway, I got my angle grinder. I need to find my gloves and my safety gear. And then we're going to work. Oh yeah, and I got this special edge primer. Let's see what happens.
1, 2, 3, go!
What's working on your trawler without finding holes in your wheelhouse? Even in the aluminium, even there are holes. Come on. Over here, holes. There is a hole, there are holes, there is a hole. There is a hole. Yeah, that's all. So, yeah, not too bad. So I think because the corrosion on the aluminum over here is pretty severe. It's deep, but I think it's strong enough. I'm not worrying about the strength of the aluminium. So I think, spare me in the comments, but I think I'm going to use epoxy filler to solve this problem. I just fill it in, bolt the wheelhouse back on and go with it, because it is what it is. I'm not going to weld it up. This wheelhouse is going back on, and in the future I want a wooden wheelhouse anyway, so for 5 to 10 years this will be perfectly fine. It's the next day. I'm back at the boat. I brought my weed whacker. I don't know what the official name is, but brought that because people are mowing their grass over here, and with my boats it's super terrible, so I'm going to do something about it. Let's go! That's so fun. The guy on the motorcycle you just saw, fan of the show, came to say hi. Love that. It's the next day. My end shot yesterday of the work that I did. No audio, so I do it now. This is the result. Today we're going to take Dompie out for a ride. One of our neighbors having engine problems, so we are gonna bring his boat to the yard. It's like 10 kilometers of motoring this boat. So, a new adventure. Yes. First, let's start up Dompie. We motored the boat over here. Now the front of this boat is attached. I'm going to attach the back, and we'll probably have to adjust it for like 100 times. We'll see. It will be fine. It's a bit windy, so I don't know if you can hear me. But there they are. We're in the Haukes in the north of Holland, so you can look it up. I will put it up somewhere in the screen. We're going to untie the boat now and go back home. So here she is. She's good for the night. Tomorrow the owner is here and he will take care of it. Alright, so now we're going to bring Dompie home. Let's go! We are going to make some waves for those guys. Alright, end of the day. Mark needed to go, he was late, so he's gone. Those kids, super cool. They know the channel and I made some waves for them to mess around with their little boats. Super cool. See you later. It's the next day. I'm back on the trawler. I got some epoxy filler. What I'm going to do is fill in all the corrosion that is on the aluminium of the wheelhouse over here. Is it the best way to do it? Probably not. Is it good enough? Absolutely. So I'm going to fill this in and then the wheelhouse can go back on. And for that I have to wait 2 weeks when my brother-in-law is back in Holland. So, first this jobbie. That's done. So I did all the way over there, over there. This was a real bad spot. Over there was a real bad spot with a hole in it. There was a hole, there was a hole. Somewhere over there. So this was really bad. I think because of the winches that were over here, they pulled in the cables and the cables were salty. And I think it was splashing around here, so salt was getting on this edge between the steel and the aluminium, and I think that was the problem. So that's good now. I'm going to get out of here because epoxy fumes are not the best for your health. So I'm gone. See you tomorrow probably. It's the next day. It's like 28 degrees, especially in the wheelhouse. The epoxy filler is dried up. Little disclaimer about yesterday. If you're using epoxy, and that is any kind of epoxy, wear protection, wear a respirator. I didn't do that yesterday. Rest of the day I had a headache. The smell of epoxy is like a sweet smell. It's not alarming, but it's the most toxic stuff there is probably. So yesterday was not smart, but I had no choice because the filters of my respirator are not good enough for this kind of fumes. And I got a beard, so it wouldn't work anyway. So yeah, if I have to do this every day, I would shave off my beard, but for this I didn't do it and I got a headache right away. So I know, it's dangerous. Don't do this at home. Alright, today I'm going to clean the deck. Jason and my daughter are cleaning the little sunken boat because it was still dirty. So it's a fun day with the kids. I don't think I'm going to film a lot because Nina is not going to appear on YouTube. So they are doing their thing. Later on they're going to motor this boat around and I'm going to clean the decks because they are really dirty. End of the day. It's so freaking hot today. So it was warm. I cleaned the deck up a little bit. Boat is still here. Mark is going to help me somewhere next week to get it off and sell it if you need one. It's an aluminium boat. Okay, and we took the sunken boat for a trip. So this is it for this week. Thanks for watching. If you like the episode, please like and subscribe. If you got something to ask or something to tell me, leave your comments down below. And I hope to see you next week. Later.